Today we're going to change out the license plate bulb on our 2012 Dodge Challenger. Let's get started. What you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Come on down here, and there's two Phillips head screws, one here and one on the other side. And now we're just going to unscrew this. That's one. Slide it down through here. Now we're going to twist it off. There we go. And there she goes. That is definitely burned out. Pull her out. Let's get a replacement bulb. So these are our replacement bulbs. They're Peak 1/68, and it's just a whole box full of these. Make sure you have your gloves on because you don't want to touch the bulb with your hands. It'll diminish the life of the bulb. All right, so now we're gonna put it back in. Line it up like that. All right, it's in. We're gonna give it a test before we put everything back. Well, let's just reassemble it. Just put this in. All right, and then twist. There we go. Okay, put it in like that. Just line up the holes. I'm just gonna line up the hole. Put my screw in. And that's how you change out your license plate bulb on your 2012 Dodge Challenger. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.